So how do you make a lip balm? First step is that you have to measure 50 grams of beeswax. How do you measure it? First, I'm gonna place this thing here, turn it on, and as you can see, it is 0.0 gram. And I'm going to take all of this beeswax, put it gently, this is so gentle as you can see, into the place. This might take a while, by the way. And then, as you can see, it is 50.5 grams. And if it's too much, I think I should take some. And it is now 49. And hold on, okay, let me put more. 50 grams. So, when you have 50 grams of beeswax, we will be telling you the next step. So this is the beeswax. What has the beeswax? The beeswax became the coconut oil and the honey. It becomes really yellow yellow. And it's nice, mashallah. And now we're gonna turn it off, right? Yes. We're gonna turn it off. How do we turn it off? Turn it off.
So, what am I doing right now, Ezra? Do you know what I'm doing?
Are you reboiling it?
Yes, why? Because apparently the beeswax becomes into solid again, which is quite annoying. And I have to boil it again.
So that it turns into liquid again?
I need to put it now.